Good afternoon, Dan here. And look, the market basically just shook off all the fireworks. And that's kind of all I'll say about that. But one of the things that some traders in our trading forum were talking about today were some of the software stocks. You can look at, say, Cyber, which is an ETF focusing on cyber stocks, and that broke out today. And then IGV has been really strong for a while. This was the one that I tend to track, but now I'm looking at the other one too. And a lot of the components in these ETFs were really rocking. Sale is one of them, broke out above 25 today. I like this kind of drifty pattern where the stock just hits 25, drifts down for several weeks, squeezes right here, and then finally today, squirts out the upside on a high volume breakout above 25. So this stock's working, and one of the things that I like about it is the moving average configuration where the 50-day is drifting higher. Now 200 is still down, but the 50-day is moving higher, and it's also above the 200-day moving average. So it really is in kind of an early uptrend, whereas if you look at Zscaler, it has the same kind of price squeeze, but it's not, it's frankly, it's not as clear as Sale, but I thought I'd point both of these out to you. The thing about this is it's just now starting to see the 50-day moving average, drift higher. 200-day is still a ceiling, but I think the real ceiling is $60. And if the stock starts trading above this line, that is when it starts filling this gap. And so I think if the stock can break through, this level, about $53, I think it has a pretty good chance of going to 60. And so that's why I'm featuring this. And you can say, well, $60. Hey man, it's a $51 stock. Do the math. Percentage-wise, this could be a monster trade, over 15%. So anyway, you may want to check that out. Also, if you haven't joined Stock Market Mentor, we are doing really well. I could read a bunch of emails and feedback to you, but my brother Gary kind of handles the marketing. Not my deal. I'm not going to get my hands dirty. I'll just tell you that we're doing really well, and I want you to do well. So if you want to maybe have 2020 be a little bit better than 2019 and you bump up your skills, I'm the guy to help you do that. Okay, see you next time.